So I always start out with the peanut butter. Take a nice huge dollop, or 2, or 3, or 4. If you wanted to be a real hippie, you'd use like, organic, natural peanut butter, but this was on sale at Target. That's like 3/4 of a cup of peanut butter. This is some nice raw honey that I've had warming in front of my space heater so that it's much easier to pour. Cool thing is, peanut butter and honey are natural allies, as are honey and oatmeal. The other cool thing about the honey and oatmeal combination and the peanut butter and oatmeal combination is, get this, oatmeal is a complex carb, honey is a very simple carb. Combine them together, they cancel out into a carb. Peanut butter is a legume, oatmeal is a grain. Combine them together, you get a complete protein. So it is actually a rather healthy snack in many ways. I'm the only person who will be eating this, so I'm just going to taste it. Needs more honey. I don't know how much honey that was total. Just put in honey until it tastes good. Oh, that's much better. And now for the oatmeal. These are quick oats. It's not the same as instant oatmeal. Quick oats, really the only way in which they're different from whole rolled oats is that they've just been chopped up into little tiny pieces. So they cook faster, and also you can chew them easier in their raw state. So you just start dumping it in and stirring it until the dough is not super sticky. Once you see that all your oatmeal has been absorbed into your dough, check it. This stuff is still pretty goopy and sticky, so I'm going to add a little more oatmeal to it. And then once you get to this point, you need to use your impeccably clean fingers to mix the dough. This is where you can really tell if it has enough oatmeal in it. For those of you who saw my award-winning episode for Christmas coconut balls from the first season, it's very similar in technique. And you're looking for pretty much the same consistency of dough. Alright, this is pretty good. Now all that remains is just forming this into little balls. I keep these in a yogurt container because that's not confusing. I like to chill these out in the fridge for at least an hour just to help them solidify and let everything meld together so that they have a nice chew. And behold their hippie, healthy, peanut buttery goodness. These are great for snack. They're also great to take on the go in a Ziploc bag as an alternative to a power bar. And I also like them for breakfast with a nice cup of tea. When I'm having them as a snack, I like to have some milk with them, and since my house is cold,